Hi guys, in this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to send an SMS reminder from within the Go Site Ready's job scheduler for those employees that occasionally need the odd nudge to get their timesheets in. Head on over to the job scheduler tab. Your window should open like mine, and then head on down to the occurrence that you would like to send the reminder to. You can see here that Callum has a little red dollar symbol showing. This means his timesheet is not received. We're going to right click and edit, and we're simply going to click the send SMS button. You'll notice that the contact information and default message is auto-populated for your convenience. You can edit and add to this if you wish. Then we simply click send. Now, just to check, you can actually pop down here to the Compose tab, and a history of this message can be found in here. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching.